Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, gearheads and DIY enthusiasts, buckle up because we're diving deep into the champion copper plus small engine spark plug, the RCJ8Y. If you're in the market for the best RCJ8Y spark plug, you're in the right place. Let's kick things off by talking about why the champion copper plus small engine spark plug, RCJ8Y, is hands down the best option out there. Champion, a name synonymous with reliability and performance, brings you this genuine OEM replacement part crafted to perfection. Crafted with precision and engineered with excellence, this spark plug boasts a copper core material, ensuring optimal conductivity and performance. And let's not forget the top-quality metal construction, promising durability and longevity even in the toughest of conditions. Now, let's delve into the specifics. The Champion Copper Plus RCJ8Y spark plug is meticulously designed to meet and exceed OEM specifications, giving you peace of mind knowing you're getting a product that's built to last. Packaged in a convenient box of 4, this set ensures you have spares on hand for any engine maintenance or tuning needs. Plus, with a 4.7 out of 5-star rating and over 200 glowing reviews, it's clear that customers are loving the performance and reliability this spark plug delivers. But wait, there's more. Not only does this spark plug offer top-notch performance, but it's also incredibly versatile. Whether you're working on lawnmowers, chainsaws, generators, or any other small engine applications, the Champion RCJ8Y spark plug is the perfect choice. And let's talk about value. Priced competitively at just $14.64, you're getting unparalleled quality at an unbeatable price. Plus, with Amazon's Choice Seal of Approval, you can trust that you're investing in a product that's been vetted and endorsed by countless satisfied customers. In conclusion, if you're in need of a reliable, high-performance spark plug for your small engine, look no further than the Champion Copper Plus RCJ8Y. With its superior construction, exceptional performance, and unbeatable value, it's the clear winner in its class. That's a wrap for today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews, and as always, happy tinkering!